Welcome to Mr. English Channel Academy.
Oh, my car does not sound good. Can I still drive? I need a mechanic. Hello, how can I help you? My car makes a strange sound. What seems to be the problem? The engine makes a loud noise. When did it start? This morning, on my way to work.
Can you show me? Yes, listen carefully.
Yes, I can hear it. Is it bad? Let me check.
Please open the hood. Sure, no problem.
I found the problem. Really? What is it?
What is wrong? This hose is loose. Oh, I see. Is it serious? No, not very serious. That is good. Can you fix it today? Yes, I can. Great! Thank you. How long will it take? About 1 hour. Okay. How much is it? It is $50. That is fine. Please start the repair. No problem. Thank you very much. I will wait here. Okay, I will call you.
Would you like some water?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. The repair is going well. That is great news. Your car is almost ready. Wonderful. Thank you. Mr. Jake, your car is ready. Really? Great. Thank you. Please start the engine. Okay. Much better now. Yes, it sounds good. Do you have any other problems? No, everything feels good. Excellent. Here is your bill. Everything looks good. Thank you. I would like to pay.
Certainly.
Here you are.
Thank you very much. Here are your keys.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Thank you for your help. You are welcome. I am very happy.
Liam, what are the most common car problems that people have? Great question, Jake. Let me show you 10 common car problems and how to recognize them. Dead battery. A dead battery is very common. Has this happened to you? Comment below. Engine overheating. Some cars get too hot. Did your engine ever overheat? Tell us. Share your story. Brake problems. Bad brakes are dangerous. Did you ever replace your brakes? Comment below. Oil leak. Oil leaks can hurt your engine. Did your car ever leak oil? Was it fixed? Tell everyone, check engine light. This light can mean many things. Did you ever see this light? Comment below. Bad spark plugs. Old spark plugs make the engine run bad. Did you ever change spark plugs?
Tell us.
Worn brake pads. Brake pads wear out over time. How many times have you changed yours? Write it below. Low coolant. Low coolant can make your car hot. Did your car need more coolant? Share your experience. Noisy suspension. Some cars make noise on bumps. What was the biggest problem your car ever had? Was it fixed? Tell us in the comments. We'd love to hear your story.
See you again. Yes, I will come back. If I need help. Take care.
What would you say at a car service center? Please write your answer in the comments.
Drive safely. I will. Thank you again. The car feels perfect now. I am very happy.
What would you say if your car made a strange noise? Write your answer in the comments. Please like this video and subscribe to Mr. English Channel Academy for more English lessons every week. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.